Hello guys. Most of friends ask me for anonymity online. Online anonymity is the ability to use the internet without sharing any personally identifiable information. This can include hiding or disguising a user's real name, age, location, and data use. Being anonymous prevents hackers from getting access to sensitive information such as personal data, credit card transactions, passwords, and banking information. Achieving complete anonymity online is extremely challenging due to the vast amount of data being collected and the sophisticated tracking technologies used by various entities. However, there are steps you can take to enhance your privacy and reduce your digital footprint. Here are some strategies to help you maintain a higher level of anonymity online. As we know, the importance of anonymity. So how to remain anonymous on the internet? We already discuss important topics about anonymity in this channel. If you want to use separate operating system only for anonymity purpose, here we have an operating system which is called Cube's operating system. What is actually Cube's OS? Cube's OS is a free, open-source operating system for single-user desktop computing that aims to provide security through isolation. It uses virtualization technology to segment applications into secure virtual machines called cubes, which can have specific purposes. This approach allows users to keep different things they do on their computer separate from each other, minimizing the potential impact of security vulnerabilities. For example, a user can have one cube for visiting untrusted websites and a different cube for online banking. If the untrusted browsing cube gets compromised, the online banking activities won't be at risk. Users can also assign each cube a level of trust based on its purpose. If you want to make a video on Cube's operating system, let me know in comment below. First of all, let's install VPN. If you have paid VPN, it's good for you. But if not, here we are going to install OpenVPN. We have two ways to configure VPN in Linux. The first way is we will install VPN through terminal. Let's go, install it. Go to VPN book. Search it Google. Here's some of the different server you can see. I will install first server. Download complete. Go to directory where you install it. We will extract this file here. Let's open this file in a terminal. First, check how many files we have. You can install one of these. Here, I will install this first one. For installation we use OpenVPN command. Give an admin permission. It asks for auth username. Go to their web page. Here you can see your username and password. Copy username and password and type or paste in terminal. Remember, after establish the connection, sometime internet connection disconnected from browser. Here is a second way to install VPN. I like Touch VPN, so Here I will install it from their website. Click on this link. It will redirect to their download page. Click on Get Touch VPN. Select your browser. Here, I will add this VPN to Firefox. Here we will add it. If you want, allow this extension to run in private windows. Always select Best Choice. This option will automatically select a best path. You can select Auto Protect Websites for automatically protection. Add your website. Whenever you visit a specific website you add here, VPN automatically establish your connection to secure. If you don't want activate VPN on specific website, so here you can add it. On some website if you turn on your VPN connection, you can face verification problem, so here you can add that site. You can sign in here. Choose your country if you want, or leave as it for best choice selection. So this is for now. See you in the next video.